Welcome back. I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the median antebrachial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The median antebrachial vein is located in the forearm region of each arm. If we take a closer look at the veins on the anterior view of the right forearm, we can see the median antebrachial vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and receives blood as a middle branch off of the superficial palmar venous arch. If we take a closer look at the veins on the palmar surface of the right hand, we can see highlighted in yellow the superficial palmar venous arch. We can also see highlighted in red the start of the median antebrachial vein in the middle of the base of the hand. What is the course of this vein? The course of this vein is variable. This vein runs superior-medially up the anterior surface of the forearm towards the elbow. This vein ends near the elbow in an area known as the cubital fossa by uniting with the basilic vein. The basilic vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. In some cases, this vein may end by uniting instead with the median cubital vein as seen here. The median cubital vein is a small vein which can be seen here highlighted in blue. In other cases, this vein may be split near the end as seen here. In this situation, one branch ends by uniting with the basilic vein and the other branch with the median cubital vein. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the palmar surface of the hand and forearm up to the elbow region of the arm. From here, the blood drains to the basilic vein and onwards up the rest of the arm on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the median antebrachial vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.